CBS News Texas, on your corner and in your corner, there is a new runway renovation project over at DFW International Airport, shifting where planes are going to take off for the most part, and that's creating more noise for one neighborhood. Your community reporter Nicole Nielsen on the road for you today in Irving, where she's breaking down the impact.
When you live near an airport, well, you might expect it. Noise, but any more than usual, it could be a burden.
And just like cities have to maintain their roads and such and have to close roads for maintenance, DFW has to do the same thing.
It's not often at all, but every blue moon, DFW Airport has to renovate its runways. Runway 17 right, 35 left is the airport's primary departure runway on the east side of the airport that takes about half of a typical day's departures, which means about 400 daily flights will have to take off somewhere else.
So what happens when you close that runway, then what FAA has to do is just like with the road closure, and they'd have to detour. So they move aircraft to other runways.
Now, while it's not a huge portion of the Metroplex, officials say this neighborhood here in Irving could certainly be impacted.
According to their research, this spot just east of Valley View Lane between 161 and West Walnut Hill Lane is likely to experience increased noise due to more flights on other runways like 17 left, 35 right, which is directly overhead. Keep in mind this area is primarily residential, home to several apartment complexes. Just how much more noise? Well, everyone may interpret it differently, but I experienced almost constant noise today while checking out the area. DFW Airport has reached out to the city and residents to make them aware of the impact.
We want the community to know that. So while we recognize it, we're trying to be as proactive and as transparent as possible.
And say any concerns should be directed to the airport's specialized noise team. In Irving, Nicole Nielsen, CBS News, Texas.
And Nicole is your community reporter in Irving. If that's where you live and you got a story you want to share, some information, get a hold of Nicole. All you got to do is scan that QR code on your screen and put you in touch right away.